Hey everybody, welcome to Kyle's Garage. This is not going to be an episode, I just want to do an update because I didn't post anything over the weekend and I feel kind of bad because I've been uploading on weekends pretty much since I started the channel, but I've been missing the last couple weekends. I've just been really busy, so I'm going to just do a quick update and show you what I've been working on and talk a little bit about the mini bike because there's a little bit of news that I want to tell you about the mini bike. But first, I want to show you the garage wall real quick. Alright, if I step back, you can get a pretty good look at the bottom there that we've replaced. This is what the old side looks like. And we replaced all this bottom, me and a good friend of mine. But yep, we put new anchors in and concreted the anchors in. We decided on 4x4 stud bottoms, which seem to be working really well. We went with these metal decking brackets, which seem to make things quite sturdy. So there's what happened with the termite damage and what we're doing to fix it. But I want to talk about the mini bike a little bit. Alright, and after I left you guys on the last episode, I did change a few things. I changed the rear tire because it just wasn't safe. The rear tire was way too wide. It was rubbing on the chain and causing the chain to get out of line with the engine, and that's no bueno. So I did decrease the size of the tire, but what that did do was decrease the top speed. So I'm gonna get a new gear kit and we're gonna make it go fast again because I was only able to do 41 miles an hour and that's just not good enough. But okay, so I got it running and all that with this tire. And we changed the front tire as well to a skinnier front tire, which actually works out really good, and the bike still looks decent, so I think we're gonna stay with it. But what happened to me, I almost blew this thing up, and it was rather unfortunate. I had it in the back of my car, and I don't know how, but I had the fuel shut off and everything, but it ended up flooding enough gas into the combustion chamber that the gas went past the rings and got into the crankcase. So I had gas oil and I had to drain it all out. It was way over full with gas oil. The gas was so thin, it was pretty much the consistency of gasoline. So I ended up draining it all out and putting fresh oil in it, and it seems to be running just fine. I don't think I heard anything, but that's where it's at. Also, I have a Tillotson racing carburetor that I can put on here, but I think the jet is still a little bit too big for the stock engine, because I did try to run it and it was running really rich, and at idle it was pretty bad. It was puffing black smoke, which was indication of rich. So yeah, I just went back to the stock carb. So right now we're running stock carb with the exhaust that we made for it. But what I really want to do is I want to fire it up for you guys, and I want to see if we can get some flames to come out of that exhaust. All right, let's hope it goes first pull here. And that's probably enough now because I'm deaf. Alright guys, I hope that's satisfying enough as an update. My ears are ringing from that, by the way. I'm sure it was super loud. I'll find out as I edit it. Edit the video? Words? But yeah, I do have a bonus clip for you guys for tuning in. It's just a little bit of real work actually. It's me just heating up an analog brake sensor ring onto a drive shaft. So until next time, take care guys, and I'll see you next time. Redundancy of redundancy? Bye.